There are three things that need to be set before the LSC can be used on auto start or timed start. Choose the menu button. Two of the initial setup inputs are in the automatic control setup and one of them is in the system setup. First, we will set the clock by hitting Enter after scrolling to System. Then choose Clock Setup. You can set the month, day, year, hour, minute, AM or PM. The time zone is a UTC offset, also known as Greenwich Mean Time. In this example, the UTC -6 is Central Time. You may set the daylight savings time by choosing that option. On this screen, you may set the start and end date of daylight savings time and whether it is enabled. Once your time is set, you may exit back out until you are in the automatic control setup. To set up the auto start, you must first enter the GPS location as latitude and longitude, which can be looked up online. This will identify the location of the Maxi Lite Tower. You may also, within auto start, choose to set the unit to run some amount of time after sunrise and before sunset. You may change the times to suit your need, but as you can see, this is currently set to turn on a half hour before sunset and turn off a half hour after sunrise. When you have set the clock, daylight savings, and GPS location, you may exit to the main screen to enable auto start, which turns the lights on with the next programmed event. To use the timed start in the automatic control setup, select Timed Event Setup. Here you may go in each day of the week and set the runtime for the unit. You program the off time and the on time in the order you would like them to function. There are two off-on combinations for each day in the unusual event that you would like them to turn off for a short time in the night, for example. Off time represents when it will shut off in the morning, and on time is when it will start up at night. Merely scroll and adjust the times to suit your needs. Up and down scrolling adjusts the hours, while right and left adjusts the minutes. Be sure to enable the time settings when you have input them by navigating to the enabled setting and scrolling up or down, then hitting Save. Assuming you have input all of your timed events, you may then exit back to the main menu and turn on the timed start. Another nice feature in the timed start setup is the Copy Date feature. You will recall we only set the times for Monday in this example, but you may copy these settings to every other day in the week or just those that you choose to select. When you have the days set as you would like them, hit the Apply button. Now, each day you selected will have the same settings. If you need to manually start the unit, merely turn off Auto Start or Time Start and hit the Start button. You may turn off the unit at any time by pushing Stop. If you do see an error message in the upper left-hand corner, before restarting the equipment, you must go into the Maintenance menu and select Clear Fault. You may then start it, or again select Auto Start or Timed Start.